What if I told you the smartest marketers aren't just spending more on tools? They're actually outsmarting them. Many marketers think that without expensive software, they can't compete. That's a misconception. Paid tools are powerful, but they aren't magical. They excel in four main areas: data, speed, automation, and convenience. Platforms like SEMrush and Ahrefs focus on SEO and visibility, while Zapier streamlines automation. Canva offers a free tier and upsells advanced features. If you understand what these tools offer, you can outsmart them with smarter workflows rather than a bigger budget. Let's dive into how you can outsmart paid marketing tools and compete effectively without unnecessary subscriptions. First, let's address a common myth. Paid tools don't create results. They don't strategize, judge, or position. Their main contribution is visibility. They show things faster, organize better, and automate repetitive tasks. Once you grasp this, change your question from "What tool do I need?" to "What job is this tool doing for me?" This mindset allows you to replace value with free alternatives or optimize your workflow. Now let's explore specific categories. Starting with SEO and traffic intelligence tools, many panic when they see high costs. But these tools primarily assist with keyword research, competitor analysis, and content opportunities. You don't need to subscribe immediately. Google Search Console, Google Trends, and Page Speed Insights offer significant insights for free. By combining these tools, you gain strong insights without paying a premium price. This approach proves invaluable, especially in the early stages. Next, consider design and creative tools. Sure, paid options speed up production with templates and AI help. However, platforms like Canva offer enough support for free. Use the free version until an upgrade is genuinely required. Don't subscribe just because it looks good. Ensure it adds value to your process. As for email and automation tools, many jump in before having a solid funnel. This can lead to confusion, which is expensive to scale. Focus on manual strategy first. Prove your approach before automating. This ensures you're not wasting resources. The all-in-one platforms often lure you with the promise of comprehensive solutions. However, be careful. You could end up paying for features you don't use. Assess your actual needs and opt for simpler, focused tools instead. AI marketing tools are tempting with promises of speed and intelligence. But if your foundation isn't strong, AI will only amplify your weaknesses. Use AI where it offers true benefits, not as a substitute for strategic thinking. So how do you outsmart these tools effectively? Start by identifying what each tool truly does. Then check if free options can cover most of that job. Often a lack of clarity and strategy is the real issue, not the tools themselves. Only invest in premium features when they provide tangible benefits. Remember, workflow is more important than just tools. A disciplined approach yields better results. Workflows create data, which leads to better decisions. Consistency is key. Smaller, agile marketers have a significant advantage. They can pivot quickly, think critically, and avoid the pitfall of software bloat. The aim isn't to avoid paid tools forever, it's about using them wisely. Some tools are worth investing in when you understand their value. The best marketers subscribe with clarity, not fear or envy. How can you outsmart paid marketing tools? Shift your mindset from reliance on software to leveraging free options and manual strategies. Invest only when necessary and build strong workflows so the tools amplify, not define your efforts. Embrace this approach, and you'll find success not just in what you use, but in how you think about marketing. The marketers who triumph aren't always those with the largest tool set. They are the ones who discern when a tool is truly beneficial.